Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is April 28, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis. And again, I must tell you all that language analysis is one of the most powerful things that traders need to understand. I'm about to show you another video that we placed a day before Cardano actually moved higher. On the right side of the screen, you can see when we uploaded our video to our Patreon groups. It was uploaded yesterday, April 27, 2018, and on the left side is actually what is occurring right now in the space for Cardano. And I'm telling you all that you're missing the opportunity of a lifetime when to understand language analysis, and we're the only one who's actually giving you all price predictions of where we're expecting these cryptocurrencies to go. We're giving you forward price prediction. We're forecasting, where a lot of people say that you cannot do it. Well, we've been showing you all consistently that it is possible to tell where cryptocurrency is going to go, and that's what I'm about to show you right now. I want you to listen to what I said yesterday in our video about Cardano and what I expect to happen and versus what occurred today in the market. So let's take a look. 3,261 satoshis, and I redrawn the support line, resistance line for Cardano. And you can see here over the last couple of days, we were able to stay above it. We dipped down here on the 25th of April and we closed right above it. So Cardano is still strong. The longer that we stay above this support line, the greater it is that we're going to continue to move higher in price. So even in the outset of us doing our analysis for Cardano, I was telling you that Cardano was still strong and that we were expecting the market to continue to move higher. You guys can see that resistance came in at 3,500 satoshis. I'm expecting that we will break that, and then we're going to come up to 4,000 satoshis. I told you right then and there that I'm expecting us to break 3,500 satoshis that was acting as resistance and move higher from there over the next couple of trading days. Okay, strength is still here in Cardano. Looking at the 3-hour bars for Cardano, again, I'm expecting that consolidation to continue until we're able to break out to around 4,000 satoshis. But strength is still here in the market for the fact that we did get stockpiled and we still close higher than the previous close. So we're still expecting Cardano to continue to move higher. 3,300 satoshis is resistance, but nevertheless, I'm still looking for Cardano to move higher. So there you go. I was telling you all already before the market even moved to that area that we're expecting Cardano to move higher. And look what occurred today in the market. The market came all the way up here to 39.05, and we still have strength coming in this space for Cardano. So if you guys are interested in learning more about language analysis, and it's so simple, you need to become a member of ours on our Patreon group, because you get access to a lot of this content, a lot of this forward pricing prediction that we do at a minimal cost to you. And I'm just simply saying $3 a month. You guys could have had a handsome profit today for Cardano if you guys would have just had access to this video. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and get started in our analysis for Bitcoin. We're looking at Bitcoin on Bitfinex. You all can see that the market is still giving us some strength in the space, and there is giving us opportunity that Bitcoin is going to continue to move to the upside. We did get a push to go down bar yesterday, but nevertheless, we're still closing above the bar from yesterday. We still have support at $8,800, and that is another crucial support area for Bitcoin, which just cements the fact that it's going to try to continue to move higher towards that $10,000 price area. Okay, now we're looking at 3-hour bars for Bitcoin. You can see that we're running across some stockpile right now, so obviously that $9,400 area is still holding strong as resistance, but I'm still expecting the market for Bitcoin to move higher in the long term. Support has to come in around 9,200 or even 9,250. If we could hold those two price areas for Bitcoin, then the market is still giving us strength, and we're looking for them to continue to move higher. I can even see it coming down to 9,150. Okay, so in and around those prices needs to hold that support, and then expect Bitcoin to move higher. Quick look at the 1-hour bar. Quick look at the 1-hour bar. You guys can still see that weakness coming in the space, and now we're just simply waiting for support. Okay, that is one of the things that we are looking for in Bitcoin. Support can be around 9,240, or again 9,200, 9,160, all the way down to 9,120. Okay, so in the meantime, just expect the market to move lower in the short term to catch support, and then from there consolidate and move back up towards $9,400 throughout trading over the next couple of days. So that's our analysis for Bitcoin. The last one for today is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum is up 3.88%. Last trade was $675.42. Let's take a look at the daily price chart real quick. And again, just like with Bitcoin, the market is still giving us some strength and space for the fact that we did get weakness, and we're still closing up towards the high of yesterday's bar. Stop piles coming in today though at the moment. Take a quick look at the 3-hour bars. You all can see where that stockpile is coming in. Right there around $685, $690. Expect the market to continue to move to the downside to catch support, 670 or even a little lower than that. Ethereum can move to catch support. We definitely have weakness in this space right now. So short term, yes, expect Ethereum to continue to move to the downside. Even looking at the 1-hour bar, non-interest in higher prices is being reflected right now. So 672, maybe around 668. It could be a huge drop all the way down to 664. As well, because a lot more volume is coming into the space as we're getting lower in price. So definitely 664 or 660 can hold as support. So right now we're just waiting for support. So expect the market for Ethereum to continue to move to the downside until we're able to catch support, and then we'll bounce from there and start our consolidation range, and then possibly move back to higher prices. But right now, expect Ethereum to continue to move lower to catch support, and then from there start our consolidation. So again, I can see the market trying to hold support around 672 or even around 664. So just keep that in mind. 668 and through that is a huge gap, huge price range that we need to watch to see Ethereum hold support. Okay, so again, if you guys are interested in learning more about language analysis or even getting exclusive access to a lot of the content that is not privy to everyone else, then you need to come and member on that Patreon page. And honestly, I mean, that was a great profit in one day that you could have handsomely made on our predictions. And that's where it's at. You got to learn how to predict where the market is going to go. And not only that, we also give you all analysis on where we expect the market to fall. Okay, a lot of people give you analysis on expecting the market to move higher, but they never tell you that when they expect the market to move lower. We are giving you all unbiased charting news analysis. Okay, we're unbiased. We're simply reading these price bars and volume and telling you what is going to occur in space. So if you're interested, come and join, become a member on our Patreon page at HueFin News. Okay guys, that's all I got. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.